Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. I want to thank you all for being here and for all the support that you have given me over these past few months when it comes to this stimulus stuff. I really do appreciate you. Y'all, the big question is now is why in the hell have we been waiting for so long for a stimulus check? Pelosi held out for a bigger package. The mooch man is wanting to give Nancy Pelosi his little package. But after all this time, when we could have gotten a stimulus check many times over, Pelosi said no, she wanted more. Well, now she folds for nothing. The lady is beyond evil, and she needs to be gone now. I have never in my life seen one human being as worthless as Nancy Pelosi. Y'all, she held out for so long for a bigger stimulus check, and that was hurting us then. And now instead of getting a bigger stimulus package and a check, we get nothing because of her holding it up. We could have gotten a check long ago if she would have just compromised. Y'all, I think it's about time for the American people to stand up against our government. They've done it in the past and it worked. I think it's time to do it again. We need to let them know that they're not going to push us around. They work for us. We do not work for them. Our tax money affords them the luxury of living like rock stars, while the American people loses their homes, their jobs, their cars, their lives, everything they've ever worked for. And they turned a blind eye to it. They created this whole problem that we have. They did not create the pandemic. I'm not saying that, but they created the hardship that it's caused. Look at all these other countries. They've been giving their people stimulus checks ever since it started, and they still are. We got one check for $1,200. And since then, we have got nothing but lies and deceit from our government leaders. Y'all, please tell me in the comments your exact feelings about our government. Use this video as a sounding board. Do not hold back with your words. Let me know exactly how you feel. We have to get it out before we explode. So use this as your sounding board. Y'all, I love you all. Please watch the video popping up here now. Keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will get us through this, and He will take care of everything. Y'all, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. I love you all. Please come watch mine and my wife's show tonight at 9 p.m. on the same channel. We just clown around and have a lot of fun. We don't talk stimulus, politics, Bitcoin, anything like that. We just have a lot of good fun. I hope to see you there. And if you don't like it, you don't have to come back to that. But please, check it out one time. I love you all. Until next time, keep your prayers going and keep your faith.